Alright, this video addresses concerns that I've had with my battery, and I know other Silverado owners have had with their batteries, where I actually have it removed at the moment, but you have your negative terminal on your battery, your positive terminal on your battery, and typically there's a stack of two red cables right there, one leading to the starter and the other leading to the fuse box. Right here I got one of these cut out, and this is the solution you're going to want to do to kind of bypass this problem where like you have to basically jiggle the cables to solve the battery, or to get the battery to recognize both instances of the cables and actually start. So what we're doing is actually cutting these cables out. So if you see here, I already got this one cut, and you're going to take the little lead biscuit out of it. And what you got in here is the actual connector that leads down your wires. So what you want to do is cut out all this plastic stuff. We're going to get rid of it. The big issue is that this plastic is actually getting down on there and it's melting onto your terminal. And in order to clean up all this corrosion,
what am I going to do?
You're going to get some baking soda and some water. I'm going to take once I get this cleaned up, I'm going to take the cable and soak it in there for a little while. Here is an idea of what it'll look like after you have everything kind of cleanly cut away. And you can see the level of corrosion on mine. It's been at least a year. Careful, kiddo.
Daddy, I ate these.
Oh, good. Raisins are good for you. So it's been about a year since I've been in here and cleaned this one up, and you can definitely tell a lot of that black is the plastic that's gotten in there, and cutting out this bottom part, a lot of that was just flat out melted onto here. So and right now I got this one soaking in the chemical bath. That is what it had turned bright clean water into. So once that one's done bubbling, I'm going to pull it out and clean it up and do this one in the same solution. Okay, so here is what a cleaned up terminal after doing that little soak should look like. And I also went over it a little bit with a little wire brush to kind of clean up whatever gunk was on there. There's still a little bit left on there. I can do a little bit more with the cleaning. So you got basic setup is you're going to have one down here. It's going to go straight onto the terminal right there. You're going to have the little lead biscuit that's going to go in between the two of these, and then the socket is going to go on the top. And here's the finished product. So what you've essentially set up is the exact same design that the factory had given you. You have your connection with your number 8, and then you have one connector, the little lead biscuit, and then a second connector. And so what you've essentially done is just eliminated all that fluff and connected it all 1, 2, 3, 4. I added a helping of anti-corrosion liquid in between each connection to basically future-proof the fix. So hopefully that helps you out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box, and I will do my best to answer them for you. Thanks for watching.